Yo, what is up? In this video, we will be talking about the Advanced Placement World History Summer Reading. So this is definitely one of the funnest things that you'll probably ever do this summer. And so let's just, read the directions first. So first you have to read half of Old World Encounters by Jerry Bentley. Pretty funny guy. And it says that this is a college-level nonfiction book, which it really is. It is a struggle to read. When I read it, I didn't know what was going on half of the time. And it says you should read it at least twice. Yeah, you should probably do that. It's really going to help you in the long term. So basically, this book talks about cross-cultural encounters before 1492. And as it says here, it talks about the influences that transformed Asia to Europe. And it talks about the Silk Roads with China and Roman Empire. So basically everything before 1492. If you recall, maybe from like middle school, 1492 is a special year because in that year, Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue and he came to the Americas. So that's what this book is called. And so basically, it continues to talk about world geography, religion, civilizations, everything you need as, a backbone to what you're going to learn in AP World History. So it says read it twice, you should probably do that, and this is definitely a hard read, and they are not kidding about this. This is serious. And the test is also serious. In fact, in my class, when we took the test, only 3 kids got A's, and everybody else didn't. So this is definitely a hard test, and you don't want to sink yourself in a bad hole in the beginning of AP World History. So here's the book, the best book that you will likely ever read. And new this year, we have AMSCO, which is a review book, and in many classes around the country, they will actually use this book to prepare for the AP exam. But in your class, it will most likely be used for a supplement to the original textbook they have. So it's a really kind of thick book, but it does a pretty good job reviewing what you need to know for each of the courses, units, tests that you'll go through. And basically, what I suggest is just go ahead and highlight, preview, read through some of this, so when the class actually starts, you'll have a much better sense of everything. So that's AMSCO. So in conclusion, this is basically the summer reading you have for AP World History. This is AMSCO, you should go ahead and preview that. And always try to get the newest edition, so probably 2018 edition if you're watching this in 2018. And also, this is Old World Encounters. This is your summer reading book. Make sure you get a start on it quick because you definitely don't want to procrastinate until the last night. And as you can see, this is published 1993, so there's really no, newer version to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And check out the Old World Encounter summaries that follow. Thanks.